So worship leader, it's not a worship seminar, but I feel like saying this. Worship leader or upcoming recording artist, your desire as a gospel artist is to log into the annals of heaven and download melodies from eternal to the realm of time. That should be your heart desire. The branding is good. Everything is good. But your message should be from heaven. Your lifestyle must reflect the life of a believer. What an error it will be then that Jesus will come and I don't go to heaven, but this song is being sung in heaven. Oh Jesus, Lord have mercy. Maybe you didn't hear me. I said what an error it will be that Jesus comes today and I don't go to heaven and this song is being sung in heaven. It means I was just a vessel that carried it. I couldn't fulfill destiny. I couldn't live a life along it. My earnest prayer this Easter for you is that you seek Jesus. Look for him. Serve him. Love him. Fellowship with him. See how he has made our mother and our father. Seek him. Don't let the pleasures of this life lead you astray. There is something in Jesus that you need. Don't be a vessel where God will just channel things through you into the world. But once he's transforming lives, may you also be transformed. Be conformed to the things of this world, but be transformed by the renewal of your mind. One of the most tempting places to operate is a worship department. It has all the flaws. But if you choose to stand, you stand. We lay our crowns, everybody say we, and worship you. Come on, lift your voice.